Grammar exercise for beginners number 8. A, an, or some. Part 5. Number 1. There is sand. Sand is non-countable, so we need to use some. There is some sand in my shoe. Number 2. There is $5 note in my wallet. $5 note. And note is singular, countable, so we need to put a. There is a $5 note in my wallet. And number 3, there is wine in the cupboard. So wine is non-countable, so we need to put some. There is some wine in the cupboard. Number 4, there is apple in the fridge. Apple is countable, singular, and starting with a vowel, so we need to put an on. There is an apple in the fridge. Number 5, there is peanut butter on the worktop. So peanut butter is non-countable. We need to put some. There is some peanut butter on the worktop. Number 6, there is radio in the kitchen. Radio is countable, singular. So there is a radio in the kitchen. Number 7, there is toothbrush in the bathroom. Toothbrush is countable, singular. A toothbrush in the bathroom. Number 8, there is jam in the cupboard. So jam is non-countable. Put some. There is some jam in the cupboard. Number 9, there is magazine in the living room. Magazine is singular countable. So a magazine in the living room. Number 10, there is queue at the post office. Queue is a line and then it's a singular countable. So there is a queue at the post office. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. There is some sand in my shoe. There is a $5 note in my wallet. There is some wine in the cupboard. There is an apple in the fridge. There is some peanut butter on the worktop. There is a radio in the kitchen. There is a toothbrush in the bathroom. There is some jam in the cupboard. There is a magazine in the living room. There is a queue at the post office. Number 11, there is suitcase. Suitcase countable, singular. There is a suitcase in the bedroom. Number 12, there is old bag in the car. So bag is a countable, singular, but all is a vowel, so we need to put an on. There is an old bag in the car. Number 13, there is umbrella in the cupboard. Umbrella. So umbrella is a single countable starting with a vowel. So put on. There is an umbrella in the cupboard. Number 14, there is sugar in the tea. Sugar is non-countable and we need to put some. There is some sugar in your tea. And number 15, there is a bicycle outside. Bicycle is singular countable, so put a. There is a bicycle outside. Number 16, there is rice in the cupboard. So rice is non-countable. We need to put some. There is some rice in the cupboard. Number 17, there is dog in the garden. Dog is single countable. There is a dog in the garden. Number 18, there is postman coming to the door. Postman is singular countable. So there is a postman coming to the door. Number 19, there is alcohol in the fridge. Alcohol is non-countable, so we need to put some. There is some alcohol in the fridge. And 20, there is a bathroom upstairs. So bathroom is countable, singular. There is a bathroom upstairs. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. There is a suitcase in the bedroom. There is an old bag in the car. There is an umbrella in the cupboard. There is some sugar in your tea. There is a bicycle outside. There is some rice in the cupboard. There is a dog in the garden. There is a postman coming to the door. There is some alcohol in the fridge. There is a bathroom upstairs.